So, quick market update, guys. I know that the market has been tanking a lot this period, and that has put fear in so many people's mind, and which is very, very normal. This is what happens in crypto. So, if you come into crypto space, you must put on your big boys pants. And because I don't want you to make a drastic decision and that you're going to regret later, that's why I say let me bring this quick update to us. So this is a market cap. Let me just go over again. This is coins. Let me click on this place. Now, if you look at the market right now, you can see Bitcoin dropped over 10% yesterday. You can see right now it's at 7%. Ethereum is still at 10%. BNB dropped over 20%, about 15% yesterday. XRP dropped over 30% yesterday. It's making a little recovery. Same thing with Solana and all of that. If I continue to go down, you're going to see that the top 100 coins made a heavy drop yesterday. And if you go to most of the coins you might be holding, like your bags, especially the meme coins, most of them dropped 50%, 70%, 80% yesterday. Now, let me break this down for you. This is always normal in the market. It's just that this period the drop was too much. So if you come to coin market cap right here, you can see 9% loss. And if we just open the coin market cap, market capitalization, which is about 3.7 trillion right now, if I open it up and you can see here, if I just click on it to open up, you can see 7 days ago, you can see on 7 days ago, you can see the high we made 4.31 trillion. 4.31 trillion was the high we made, and from 4.31 trillion, it has dropped to 3.74 trillion. So in the last 7 days, it means we have dropped almost 600 billion, which is a huge amount of drop, right? In the last 7 days. Now, let me break this down for you and make you understand why I said this is practically normal. First of all, you must understand that nobody is coming to this market to give you to do charity work for you. There is no charity organization in crypto space. In trading, there is no charity organization. Everybody is looking for the victim to make money from the victim. And who are the victim? The victim are those people who sell out of fear, who buy out of FOMO. If you sell out of fear, you are a victim. If you buy out of FOMO, you are a victim. So what do I mean? Now the market dropped. You invested $1,000. You are seeing $500. You rush and sell and say, "Oh, instead of me to lose everything, let me just sell and still keep some money for myself." You are a victim. You invested $10,000, and right now everything dropped. You are seeing $7,000. You are seeing $3,000. You are seeing $4,000, and you sell and say, "Okay, at least I still have something, let me recover small." You are a victim. Why? Because I have said it, nobody's coming here to do charity work for you while your portfolio is dropping. It's a normal day in the market. Just go about your business and continue what you're doing. If you look at previous years of the market, you will understand that these are perfectly okay. See the way Bitcoin dropped. You can see this red candle that dropped like this. See where it came to 104. 104. This simply means that the market movers, the people who have billions of dollars, millions of dollars to invest in the market, are looking for ways to make money. And these people make money mostly from the retailers. Now, the retailers are you and I. Someone who also have 1 million, even 100 million, 200 million can still be a retailer. Why? Because the person is not a market maker. You understand? That person is not a market maker. He's just an individual trading because he has large sum of money, right? So now they look for ways to make you sell off your coins at a cheaper price so that they will be the one holding. So that's why I said if you sell out of fear, you are a victim. That is selling out of FUD. That's FUD, fear or certainty, and that you are a victim. So when they see that you are excited, oh, you bought a coin with $1,000, and then the coin is going up, and you are seeing, let's say $3,000, you're seeing $4,000, you're comfortable, right? The market is moving, all your bags are moving, maybe all your investment was worth $5,000, and right now you're seeing 10,000 or you're seeing $15 $100,000. You're very, very comfortable. Everything is moving on well. But all of a sudden, you see the market drop, and then everything turns against you. That is because it is what they use to manipulate you, because they want you to sell off. So once you sell off your coins to them, what happens? They are now the one holding it. Because I said it's practically normal. You will see that in the coming days, the market will just recover and everything will start going up normal. And then you ask yourself, isn't this the same crypto that I invested that I almost lost everything? How come this is happening? So guys, in all, what you're supposed to be doing at this time, why the market is dropping, just understand that they want to take your coins from you. They want to take your assets from you. And once they succeed in taking those assets from the small retailers, then they can now start moving the market where they want it to go. That is how it happens. Now, there are lots of retailers who have come into this space this period, this 2024, 2025 period. A lot of influencers shouting about Bitcoin, shouting about crypto. So people, lot of retailers, lot of individuals have invested. Millions of people, billions of people have invested, and it is not good for the market makers because they know they are going to lose money, right? So what they do, they create all these kind of things so that you will sell off to them. Now, once they have those assets taken away from you as a retailer, then they can relax and move it up. Now, once you see that the market is started moving up again, the annoying thing is that, or the funny thing is that you are still the one that will come back again and start buying at the top. That is buying out of FOMO. So that's why I said, if you sell out of fear, you are a victim. If you buy out of FOMO, you are a victim. So do not do that. So just let me bring this quick update to you so that you understand what is happening in the market, to make you understand that all of this are pure manipulation, and no matter how this manipulation goes, it always goes one way. Everything is going to return back to normal, and people are going to make money from the market. And those people who make money from the market are those people who actually held onto what they believe in, hold on to their coins, never sold, even if it goes down. I tell you something, there was a coin I bought 2017 2018 bull run. I bought the coin with $100 and the market dropped, and that particular coin dropped to $7. I mean $7. I was practically seeing $7 in my account, and I was like, okay, there's no point selling it. Even if I sell it, what am I going to do with $7? Believe you me, 2 weeks later, that coin, I still sold that same coin for $4,700. So that is what happens in the market. So guys, just be calm, relax yourself. This is not time for you to look at the chart. This is time for you to go about your business, do other things you love to do. If you're investing in sport, if you're trading futures, do not trade right now. Just leave everything the way it is. Go about your business, do everything you need to do normal, and then relax yourself. You understand? At the end of the day, you will see that it's going to be a win situation for you. All right guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.